Would you be interested in discovering one of the quickest ways to make money online as a side hustle? You can earn up to $60 every hour from home, and you don't even have to sell anything. The best part of this strategy is that you don't need to spend any money or have a bunch of followers to start. All you have to do is follow a few steps, which I'm about to share with you. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as I will give you a bonus tip that could help you earn $100. Step 1. Go to Listverse. If you're not familiar with it, it's a blog site where a bunch of writers share their work. Most of the blog topics on this website are weird, creepy, and scary, which surprisingly many people are pretty interested in reading. This is why all of these blogs get a good amount of views. Now head to the Bizarre option, which is in the top left corner. When you click on it, a drop-down menu should appear with a few different topics to pick from. You'll have to select Mysteries, and this will redirect you to this page. You'll notice that it displays all blogs about mysteries. Your task is to spot a blog that might capture someone's interest and make them want to click on it. I'm going to be picking this article. It's called 10 Plane Wrecks Throughout History That Are Still Missing. Right-click on its image and click Save the Image to save it on your device. Then click on the URL link above and copy it. Now that you have the article's URL link and image at hand, let me guide you to the platform where you can earn money from it. Head over to Shrinkme. This is a platform that allows you to shorten your link and put ads into it. So whenever someone clicks on your link, they'll see an ad. This, in turn, generates income for you. Then they split it and give you your share. This is how simple this platform works. As you can see, people worldwide living in different countries are earning from this opportunity. It's one of the more straightforward methods out there to earn $1 or $2 since it doesn't involve selling anything. All it takes is getting folks to click on your link. Go ahead and click on Register in the top right corner to log into your account. This is how the dashboard of this website looks. On the left, click New Shorten Link. It will ask for a URL, so paste the link you copied earlier and click Shorten. Here you go. This is the shortened link that you have to use. Step 2. The next step is to make your promo design. Head over to Canva and click on Create Design. Now, I want you to type in 1080 by 1080. This size is just perfect for the place where you'll be uploading the image later. On the left, go to Upload and pick the image that you saved before. Make it bigger so the image fills up the entire image canvas. Then go to the Elements section and type in Gradient. Click and drag it to the image. To place the title of your article on the image, first click on Text. Next, select Add a heading. Now head back to your article, copy the entire title, and then return to Canva. Finally, all you have to do is paste it into the text box on the image. Change the font and highlight some text if you want the title to be easily readable. Alright, you've got your promo design all set and good to go. Now, all you need to do is hit that share button and download it. Step 3. Now let me guide you through 3 websites. They're great platforms from which you can attract visitors and encourage them to click your link. The first website is Imgur. This is a website where millions of people visit and post their designs. As you can see at the top, there are categories like mental health, funny, gaming, and more. People like to entertain themselves, so this website has a lot of traffic. Check out this meme. It's gotten roughly 48,000 views. Some of the other images here have snagged 10 or 20,000 views too. Clearly, lots of folks seem to be interacting on this site. Just go ahead and select New Post and upload the image that you had prepared earlier. Use the same title as the article. In the description part, write, "Click here to read for free." Then go back to Shrinkme and copy the shortened link. Then paste the link in the description and click Post to Community. Accept the option Post Publicly. Now the image is posted with the article's link in the description. Whenever someone sees the image, they will surely click on the link and you will get paid. The second location, where you can get folks to engage with your link, is Pinterest. Creating an account on this site is totally free. So sign in and establish your account without delay. Once you've logged in, just click on Create. Next, you'll want to upload the same image you used on the first website. Oh, and don't forget to put the title of the article in the title section. For your description, You can just look back at the article, pick a couple of sentences that stand out, and place them in the description box. Don't forget also to include the shortened link, the one you made using Shrinkme, in the link section. Click Publish, and your post is ready. You can repeat the same process multiple times to drive traffic to these posts. The more people click on your link, the more money you earn. MeWe is the third platform we're talking about. It's a social website, sort of like Facebook. This means you can chat, make friends, and join groups to connect with many people. Click Sign Up and create your account. Once your account is ready, you'll land on your home page. You might find it looks quite familiar, almost like Facebook. On the left, click on Browse Groups. It will show you a few categories you can join. Click on the first one and you can see it shows many groups. These groups are filled with people who enjoy sharing content related to the group's interests. It's a good opportunity for you to join in on the conversation and post there too. Make sure to post in groups that are related to the article. Go ahead and upload your chosen image and then paste the link that you've shortened. Once that's done, all you have to do is hit post. These are the 3 platforms you can use to drive traffic to your links. Shrinkme will pay you whenever someone clicks on your link. Bonus tip. Finally, let me show how you can earn an additional $100. Head over to Listverse, and when you're there, click on the button that says More. Then select Write and Get Paid. You can find all the details here on how to write an article for them and earn $100. It's a pretty cool opportunity, isn't it? Click on Send It In and fill out the form. It will ask you for some necessary details such as your name, email address, and PayPal address. After that, attach your article and click Submit. With this method, you have the opportunity to receive payments from both Shrinkme and Listverse. If your article garners a substantial amount of likes, there's a good chance Listverse may show interest in seeing more of your work. This is how convenient it is to make money online. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If today's insights on side hustles and passive income sparked your interest, then you're in for a treat. Right on your screen is our next video, and it's a goldmine of information on how to 10x your online earnings. I've got a feeling you're going to love it. Go ahead, click, and enjoy.